welcome to TNV Academy. In this session, we are going to talk about principles of ISO 21930. In this session, where we will discuss the principles of ISO 21930, the standard that focuses on the environmental performance of building products through Environmental Product Declarations (EPDs). ISO 21930 provides a comprehensive framework for life cycle-based environmental declarations. These declarations offer transparent, credible data on the environmental impacts of construction materials. Let's explore the key principles that form the foundation of ISO 21930. Transparency. Transparency is one of the core principles of ISO 21930. The standard emphasizes clear and open communication of the environmental impacts associated with building products. The Environmental Product Declaration (EPDs) must be based on verifiable data, ensuring that stakeholders such as developers, architects, and contractors can trust the information they are using to make decisions. Life cycle perspective. A cornerstone of ISO 21930 is the life cycle perspective. This principle requires the evaluation of a product's environmental impact from cradle to grave. This includes raw material extraction, manufacturing, use, and disposal. By taking a life cycle approach, we get a holistic view of the product's overall environmental footprint, helping to reduce its negative impacts across its entire lifespan. Scientific accuracy. ISO 21930 demands that the data and methods used in EPDs be based on scientifically accurate and widely accepted life cycle assessment methodologies. This ensures that the environmental information provided is robust and credible. The scientific foundation allows decision makers to rely on this data for sustainable choices. Comparability. Comparability is another key principle. ISO 21930 ensures that the EPDs for different products or materials are prepared in such a way that they can be easily compared. This is important for stakeholders when selecting construction materials based on environmental performance, as it enables fair and accurate comparisons across different options. Relevance and completeness. The information presented in an EPD must be relevant and complete. It should cover all significant environmental aspects, ensuring that none of the important data is left out. This principle ensures that the declaration presents a comprehensive picture of the product's environmental impacts rather than a partial or selective view. Consistency. Consistency is the preparation of EPDs is essential. ISO 21930 promotes the use of consistent methodologies and data categories, allowing stakeholders to trust the results and ensuring that environmental declarations are reliable across different products and projects. Consistent application helps in building industry-wide trust in the sustainability data provided. Continuous improvement. Finally, ISO 21930 encourages the principle of continuous improvement by identifying the environmental impacts at each stage of product's life cycle. Manufacturers and developers can seek ways to reduce negative effects over time. This principle supports long-term sustainability goals and encourages the development of more eco-friendly products and materials. In conclusion, the principles of ISO 21930 are designed to ensure that environmental product declarations (EPDs) are transparent, accurate, and comparable, while promoting continuous improvement in the environmental performance of building products. Together, these principles help drive the construction industry towards more sustainable practices, benefiting both the environment and future generations. Thank you for joining us in exploring the principles of ISO 21930. Stay tuned for more discussions on how this standard is shaping a greener future in the construction industry. If you have any question, feel free to ask, and if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.